I'm Robert Wilkins from the Car Alarm Shop. What we're covering right now is speaker component removal, reinstallation for Expert Village. What we're going to do right now is access the door again. We're going to move the weather installation. Check for any wiring components behind here. Speakers. They're right here, and we identified the wiring going to the back of the speaker. Here's the wires right here. Of course, they come through the door and go right to the back of the radio. Removal of the speaker, held in by 3 screws. You unplug the old speaker. Every speaker needs a positive lead and a negative lead. That's all that supplies voice to the speaker. And they're coming from the back of the radio. Reinstallation of the speaker is the same process. Three screws. Before the door panel is placed back onto the vehicle, it would be best to test the speaker to make sure the speaker is operational.